Imagine this. You're at the airport, breezing past the baggage check-in counter with a confident smile, your trusty carry-on by your side. No waiting, no extra fees, just straight to security. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, this dream requires a bit more strategy as airlines tighten their carry-on policies. Let's dive into the new landscape of air travel and stay to the end to get 5 essential tips to outsmart these new rules and ensure your carry-on remains your loyal travel companion. First, what do you need to know? Airlines are implementing stricter carry-on regulations, leading to increased scrutiny at boarding gates. For instance, Southwest Airlines, once known for its lenient baggage policy, enforcing a strict 1 carry-on and 1 personal item rule, emphasizing that even small items like slings or fanny packs count as personal items. Similarly, budget carriers like Frontier Airlines have introduced promotions offering free checked bags, but with specific conditions and timeframes. These changes aim to manage overhead bin space and streamline boarding processes. So now, how can we beat the system? Tip 1. Know your airline's specific rules. Before you pack, research your airline's carry-on size and weight restrictions. While many U.S. carriers allow bags up to 22 by 14 by 9 inches without a weight limit, some international airlines have stricter size and weight requirements. For example, Air Caribbean imposes 21 by 15 by 7 inches with a weight limit of 12 kilograms or 26 pounds. Also, some airlines may have other requirements like Singapore. Airlines has banned the use of power banks on board starting April 1, 2025, though they can still be carried in your luggage. So can you catch up with all these rules? I've got you covered. Download my free template with the measurements for 150 airlines carry-on guidelines and direct links to the airline's rules, so you know the most updated rules before traveling. Link in the description. Tip 2. Invest in compliant luggage. To avoid those dreaded baggage fees, it's important to choose luggage that fits within the most restrictive airline standards. Stick to lightweight materials to maximize your packing capacity without exceeding weight limits. A little hack that some travelers are using is a measure app on their phones to check the dimensions of their carry-ons ahead of time. These apps allow you to measure your luggage to ensure it fits within the airline's size requirements, helping you stay compliant and avoid surprises at the gate. Some travelers have even resorted to wearing their extra layers of clothing to save on baggage space and fees. But let's be real, that might not be the most comfortable strategy for long flights. Tip 3. Master the art of packing light. Adopt minimalist packing strategies. Focus on versatile clothing items and prioritize essentials. Remember, the goal is to fit everything comfortably within your carry-on and personal item, reducing the risk of additional fees or forced gate checks. Want to pack like a pro? Check out my full video on how to pack efficiently and still have everything you need for your trip. Link is in the description. You'll be a packing master in no time. Tip 4. Be strategic with your personal item. Airlines define personal items as bags that fit under the seat in front of you, such as a backpack, a purse, or laptop bag. Ensure your personal item adheres to the airline's size guidelines to avoid complications. But how do you know if your personal item is the right size? I've got you covered. Download my free template with the measurements for over 100 airlines carry-on guidelines so you can make sure your bag stays compliant. Link in the description. This will help you travel smart and stress-free. Tip 5. Leverage airline credit card benefits. Many airline-affiliated credit cards offer perks like free checked bags or priority boarding. If you frequently fly with a particular airline, consider obtaining their credit card to take advantage of these benefits, potentially offsetting baggage fees and enhancing your travel experience. By staying informed and adapting to the ever-changing carry-on regulations, you'll breeze through the airport, keeping your things close and your travel stress-free. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below letting me know your favorite tip. Safe travels, and until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.